guys, if you haven't tried this simple pasta recipe for kids, come here, let's make it together, guys. Alright, as you can see already, I've added some salt in the boiling water and I've added my pasta of choice. I'm using penna for this recipe. You can use spaghetti, any pasta of your choice. Then in a hot pan, I'll add in some butter and olive oil. If you notice, guys, I didn't add any onions or garlic to this recipe, guys. That's because it's for kids, alright? Some kids don't like onions, so I rather skip onions and garlic. So next, I will throw in my green peas and I'll add in my cooking cream. Allow that to simmer for 2 minutes, and next you add in your tuna. And if your kids don't like fish, you can use chicken breast, okay? I'll stir everything together and allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. You can see our sauce is becoming so thick. Next we'll add in some cooking water to loosen it up a little bit. Add black pepper, just a little bit. Remember, this recipe is for kids, guys. Next, you add a little bit of salt, mix everything together and allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. Guys, after 10 minutes, our pasta is cooked. Now we'll add it to the sauce and mix everything together. I will add approximately 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and I'll mix together, and guys, our pasta is ready. Like I said, this pasta is so delicious, your kids will love it. Let me know in the comment section if you try this recipe, okay guys? If this is your first time you're coming across my page, please give me a follow and like, please guys, and also don't forget to leave me a comment. Bye bye, see you on my next one. Enjoy.